Okay, I found this at the Goodwill. It is a panel of just fabric. It looks like somebody had maybe purchased too many, and I have washed it, of course, thoroughly. But look at all these. I can make book sleeves. I can make pillows out of these big guys. Look at there, all the snowflakes and hearts. And here's such a cute couple. Okay. So here is some blue, kind of a Williamsburg. It's distressed fabric I bought at 2018 from Hobby Lobby. Don't tell anybody I have fabric that old. But yes, I do have, this is pretty much a yard of it that I have. I think it'll go good as a book fair book sleeves. I sell the book sleeves at the book fairs about $12 to $15. Anyway, here is the, what do you think? You think it'll look all right? I do, because look, the hat and the bird are both distressed. And of course the bird nest or bird house and the bird. So this is what I'm using. I'm going to cut it in 1.5 strips so that I can do kind of the log cabin to make these a little bit bigger. Okay, I told you I would finish this today. Look, here is the book sleeve. There's a pocket here. This opens up here to the open, that's where you put the book. Then there's another pocket right here. I am really lousy with the camera, so sorry. Okay, so then look at what I did. This is the panel, and then I put 1.5-inch strips to make it a bigger panel, because it's not big enough just for a book that size, you know, I guess for little. But then on the back, there isn't anything. It's just a snap on there. But that is the book sleeve, and I'll make a couple more for the craft fair. And these, without the panel, just the plain ones, I sell $15 at the book fairs, and the kids just love them. So, yeah, I don't know what I would sell these at the craft fair. Probably another, because it has a couple more panel, and I did put a number 5 zipper in and a snap. So it is a little bit more than the regular book sleeve that I make, but probably 20, 25. And you know, these are good for everything. These are good for the Bible. These are good for the cookbook. These are good for the kids' books in their backpacks that are getting all wadded up. And it even protects textbooks. Have you ever had to pay for a textbook? Ask me how I know. Anyway, thank you. Bye-bye.